Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to set up Vulcan bot for Grow Garden stock alerts in your Discord server. First, add Vulcan bot. On Discord, go to Discover, select Apps, and search for Vulcan. Click on Vulcan, then Add App. Choose your server, Continue, and Authorize. Now Vulcan is added. Next, create a text channel for your alerts. Open the channel settings, go to Permissions, and add Vulcan. Scroll down and enable Manage Webhooks. Save your changes. Now in the message bar, type /stock alert. You'll see options. The basic alert updates stock every 5 minutes. Choose your channel, ping type, and role, then send the message. If you want alerts for specific items, type /stock alert again. Pick the category like seeds or cosmetics. Choose the item, your channel, and the role to notify. You can create custom roles for different items, so only the right people get pinged. If you see a permissions error, just go back to channel settings and give Vulcan the permissions it needs. After about 10 minutes, updates will begin, and you'll get alerts whenever your selected items come into stock. And that's how to set up Vulcan bot for Grow Garden alerts on Discord. Thanks for watching.